and stay at a resort, they cater for Americans and they cater for Jamaica. That was not the case when I go there. So when you go down, when you go in at the kitchen, you can see your side of Jamaican breakfast, lunch and dinner, and you can see your bacon and your egg and your this and your that, which is American meals. When we go to Bahamas, that was not the case for me. Everything when I see in the kitchen, everything when I see on the list, it just remind me like I never did there. When them give way the to look the menu, it just never feel like me there on island. And it's like they only cater for one set of people at the resort. That was how I feel. At Jamaica, no, that was never how I feel. And that was one of my reasons for feeling a little disappointed. No, this person not gonna ask me, so why me go then? This is the reason why I go, so I can have my own experience. Me don't want nobody tell me nothing. When people speak the truth, it's a problem. They know. Them are going to somebody else are going to say how I must go to Bahamas to go sell some timeshare. I don't even know what timeshare is. I heard about it, but I don't even know what it based upon and the structure of timeshare. So uno quick for judge me, because then this other person now will go in the comment section and go say, I mean, so much comment where people in them feelings, but me I go tell you no what is my problem. And that now go stop me from travel anywhere me want to go. Before me start up my car, me I go sit down and hold a reason. Yeah, about to go up on the road. Me I read some comment not too long that they are chill. And I post a picture with me there Bahamas, and the people them put something in the caption say Bahamas is as beautiful as it look on TV, but it can't beat Jamaica. What me say wrong? What did I say wrong? Alright, them say a 700 island make up Bahamas. 700 island. Jamaica is just one. The fact of the matter is, I went to Bahamas for my birthday, and the place is beautiful. I went to Nassau. It have 700 island. That no matter. Nassau is one of the main island, and it is beautiful. I have no problem with that. But the food for me, terrible. I don't have one good meal at Bahamas from I go down there. And yeah, me did there at the resort. At the resort me stay, and them we expect anything like them not cater for everybody. And that was disappointing, because Bahamas is an island. Down there, Nassau is an island. It's an island. So it surprised me that they don't have the Bahamian food in the resort where we could have choose from. We go at different restaurant, we don't get that. I don't even know what Bahamian food tastes like. But me I say it's an island me I go, so me I go have food there for eat, proper food. And when me say food, me mean food because me a Jamaican. Me know about ground position, sweet potato, yam, banana, stuff like that. Boiled food with some stewed chicken and etc. That was what me expect forget. Me never expect say when me go there for breakfast, me I go see scrambled egg, fried egg. Me never expect just to see them something there, fry stuff, the American stuff, because that is one of the reasons why I go to the island, because I'm very skeptic when it come on to my meals. Me not eat anything. So when me go for breakfast, I will buy breakfast. Just having 2 eggs, 2 slices of bread, a cup of orange juice, and a little bacon on the side. That is what me eat for breakfast. For the whole year, me in America where these stuff are, me don't, for the whole year, me not eat them breakfast there. Alright, so me say, alright then, me I go just suck it up and just enjoy myself. No complaints, right? Me ending up order that for breakfast. You know that was $80? Over $80? Did you hear what I just said it is? 2 little strip of bacon, 2 eggs, 2 slices of bread, and a cup of orange juice for 2 of us. That was over $80. And yet, I mean, not complain, that was the resort. We'll come back again, we'll go and order dinner. We look on the menu, there's nothing. So I say, alright, because me love salmon, me I go order salmon. Me order salmon with a little mashed potato. One thing me I go give them. You see the mashed potato? Bad. So me I go say the mashed potato. That's the only thing me enjoy. Alright, so asparagus, I saw them call it the vegetable, and broccoli with like a mashed potato and a piece of salmon for my dinner. 2 of us. That was 2 and oh, and like a little bit like a half glass of red wine. And 2 scoop of ice cream because me mustn't even eat ice cream. But me just say, you know, me have it. That was $270. And me not complaining, you know. I am just saying, if it did worth it, it bad and in a bad. When me ask them now, where them get the fish, that was very disappointing to me because me I eat the salmon and it don't taste like salmon. And me ask them where them get the salmon. Them say them import it. Said, Jesus, isn't this an island? From me in the sky, 80% of the plane ride, you can't see the whole ground while you're traveling. So me know say Bahamas is, because when you go to Jamaica, you can't look down and see nothing. After the plane get up and gone, you not see nothing until you land at Jamaica. You're almost ready for land at Jamaica. The whole time we are travel go to Bahamas, me I see the sea, me I see the houses, them small, but you can't see them. So me I say, but America backyard this year. Obviously, that's how me I say in myself. So, anyways, it is an island. And then now, when me decided say, me I go out on the road. I forgot my thought what I said before. Sorry. So, I forgot my trace of thoughts. So I decided say me I go up on the road. I didn't want to go up on the road in the beginning. That's why I never rent a car. I could have rent a car, I decided say nah, because I don't know the place. I want to go out and ask questions. So I don't drive around in one country, island where I don't know, never go, no have no experience, no know nobody, and all of that. So me now decide say, me I go get the tour guide and make them carry me around or whatever. From me land at the airport, me I ask about Jamaican food down there. From me landing at the airport, the taxi where we take go to the hotel, me ask him, me ask people in at the airport, you know. Them tell me say, them no know no Jamaican restaurant. Well, the taxi tell me where to go and them say go down a fish fry. Jamaicans down there and then go down there all the time and eat. Well, in my Bahamas, me and whatever. He might go say anything. He don't really know good Jamaican food. So he said go down there. So he give you all the lady name, blah, blah, blah. We go down there. I was frustrated. You see the night when we go down a fish fry, we have a fish. I had a fried fish. It tastes nothing like a fried fish. It just tastes like lemon. Only lemon dip on it. Not even salt and little season not taste like it dip on it. It tastes like a just lemon dip on it. Alright. Mashed potato. I ask you that and some rice and peas. The rice and peas don't have no coconut in it. It's like it's just rice and peas. And the reason for me doing this video is because the people them are come after me. So I was disappointed. I was disappointed with the food down there. And me explain why I'm so disappointed. My husband have mashed potato, vegetable, and steamed fish. Him never, you see, the first bite him taking at the steamed fish, and not just that, it's $20 for one of the fish. So, at the end of the day, when me ask them where them get the fish, they import it. After me done, me not even done eat the fish. Me not even eat the fish like that. The most of the fish waste. And fish head, me not dash a fish head. Me couldn't eat it. Me just pick off peas, pick off the sides them, and left the rest. Me have to eat something because I did hungry. When me go back at the hotel, almost how much in cup of tea my husband drink the night there. He's sick. And me I said to myself, so I come on vacation to enjoy myself and I have to deal with this. My husband's stomach can't take certain things. He not eat anything, and he practice himself that over the years he not eat drunks. If he not eat certain things. So when he pick up on things, him stomach pick up on things, it affect him. Now, me drink a cup of tea, me never really sick yet. My stomach they kind of feel sick, but never sick to where it a bother me. Like it's like me have bug in my stomach. But me drink my tea and me tough. Me is a tough cookie, me no play. Me overcome certain things. My husband's stomach cannot take certain things because he practice himself that way there. Alright now. The following day now, that's when we have the breakfast there. That when we just go there, we go do pan the road, go look Jamaican food, I wanna get it. We meet Jamaican, talk to them, and they say, over here, the food them don't taste like Jamaican food. You have Jamaican restaurant. She said we have to pay. After me just pay $20 for go down a fish fry, she tell me say I have to pay $30 for go where she has send me. So I said that don't make no sense. Me now pay $30 again, which is $50 for go over where she has sent me, plus me have to pay for come back. She said we cannot take the bus because it confusing and we will last. So me don't go. And she has sent me over there, but before she send me, she literally say the food is not like Jamaica because them use the Bahamian season and stuff, so it don't taste like Jamaica. Anyways, we decide so we are gonna go back at the resort. We are gonna chill. We eat at the resort again. At least my stomach never sick when we did eat at the resort. I go out again and buy Jamaican food. Oxtail, piece of fried chicken, rice and peas, etc. Me sick with that food when I buy. My stomach sick, me feel like me want vomit. You know how long my stomach no feel like it's sick because I me cook for myself. Me not really buy food of such. Me buy like they call it, what they call that food again? Seafood, what they call it again? I forgot what name right now. Hook and reel. Me like hook and reel. So that not trouble me. But me barely go out go eat because me know say me very picky when it come on to food. And me not get sick so easy. When me eat that oxtail there, I was so sick. My stomach so sick. It's like no seasoning and stuff not upon it, but I never eat until 1 o'clock or after 1 that day there because I decide I want to find some real food to eat. And it's not like we not go out. We take the bus and we go downtown and walk around with Jamaican. I look restaurant, they lock, this one they lock, that the one they not open, that the one they... And we just couldn't find a way where we could get food. So that was disappointing. Walk down out fish fry and we I couldn't get nothing. Get up in the morning, eat my fruits and stuff. Never eat till after 1. And then now when me eat the oxtail, it make me sick. The fried chicken never so bad. If me did know, me would have just take fried chicken. It never so bad. Because me take some wings and it never so bad. The night again now, we buy some food, some rice and peas from somewhere else. Rice and peas with fried chicken. That wasn't so bad, but it wasn't that good. I'm going to drink some tea while I was eating it, so I don't feel bad. The next day we get up, we decide to say, alright, we're going to eat at the resort. Same thing, because it's American, we just feel like we never go our island. When we eat the food, when we're there, outside, we feel like we're there at the island. But when I eat the food, I feel like I'm there in America. So it just gives me mixed feelings. Apart from the food, don't get me wrong, you know, it is beautiful. I enjoy myself. But if you not eat right, you are going to feel some kind of weird. And that is my thoughts on my traveling. Now, the people them in the comment section now, I got to address them. And me not come beg none of you nothing. Okay? So the goal is to travel. That was my dream. To travel, know different countries, island, whatever, different culture. See what they're based upon, my experience. Apart from the food, that is my only problem with that. Why me wouldn't live there. Maybe wouldn't even go back there. Because me love my belly, but me love it good. Me eat right, me eat good stuff. And me not eat certain things fi get me sick. And if me eat them only for Friday, if me did it for 2 weeks, what would have happened to me health? If me did decide say, alright, me go Bahamas for 2 weeks, me not go nobody country. Go stay more than 3-4 days. None. If me not used to it. Me went to Dominican Republic and me never feel that way here. Me actually feel like me was in a different country. Me never have that feeling here. So if you say this to say that, me no need enough to come for me in my comment section when I speak my truth. It's my truth. Everybody have their own truth. That is mine. Don't ask me when me go there for. And some comment in that comment section there, I'm not even going to address you because you no mind bad. A bad you no mind bad. Some of you no mind just bad. I'm not even going to even mention some of you in my comment section. But my reason, that is it. I'm done right this so. I'm going to address someone because I think you are being very rude. Very, very rude. Some say wrong. No. What did I say wrong about that? I was just speaking my truth. Everybody have their truth. I don't understand you people. Why is it that when people speak how they feel, it is a problem to Uno? Like people don't have a voice? Uno come and I'm a post and Uno leave Uno nasty comments saying that why me go there and how me must go there to go sell timeshares. I have my own thoughts. I'm express it. Me not keep it to myself. It's my expression. Okay? And I'm sure it's not me alone feel that way. And somebody comment them, me not even not gonna address them because they're not just literally bad mind. A bad mind you have, you don't have bad mind. Some of you mind bad, and that's why you see enough of you don't prosper and reach nowhere in our life. Because your heart not clean. And that are straight up facts. Me not go around no bush and talk. It's my voice. Me I express myself. Jamaica is beautiful. And not just that. And then you have people that talk about Jamaica graveyard. I get you. I get you. The fact of the matter is, Jamaica is beautiful, and that's all I said. A video here, it piece and chopper. Choppy. Piece and choppy. Listen to me, guys. I went to Dominican Republic and I stay at Majestic. And I didn't pay. It was an all-inclusive. I didn't pay for that trip. But I had a wonderful time and I didn't have any complaint. The food was excellent. It's like I was on an island and I was expecting the same thing when I went to Bahamas. It was not like that for me. You don't get to, it's like everybody's serving you. You know, as I said earlier in the video, at Jamaica, I feel like I was at home. When you're there here, if I don't cook the food, it's like I don't really go out and eat like that. Everybody use the seasoning them in other country with them there, so it just don't taste like Jamaica food. Very few restaurants you might find here where you feel like, you know, you eat yard food. People cook different. People cook different because they have to use what them have. Me get my Maggi all-purpose. We get my jerk seasoning from Jamaica. And those are the only two seasonings we use for my meat. And when I Jamaica, I used to use all the different powder season. But at least when I cook, I feel like I eat Jamaican food. And that is a fact. When I go to Bahamas, I never feel like I'm there Caribbean. Apart from outside. When I eat the food, let me make that clear. When we eating the food. And it's as simple as that. So I was expecting the same thing like when we go Dominican Republic. You know what I mean? But now I bash the country because it is beautiful. Beautiful. So it's not like me I bash anything. All me say was it can be Jamaica. It's just different. It's different. I'm gonna say what's wrong with that. And I lie me I tell. It's not lie. Nobody not have to come up and tell me about Great Jamaica graveyard and how much in killing and guan and that. And that was not the point. I said beauty, I not even did I talk about food. But yes, a part of me upset about the food. Because I spent so much money for the couple of days when I'm down there for food. And I'm never happy. Not one meal I was happy about. It's not like me only eating at the resort. I go out, go on food, go do food hunting different places and still not happy. So what? You must say what I want to say. Jamaica beautiful. Yeah, me understand say the crime is down there, but it is a beautiful island. So please, goodbye. And Bahamas is beautiful too. So leave me alone.